Welcome. So here's another installation of Scratch introductory class by Techscool. Last time we had a basic introduction to the class, and we'll just do a quick review. Here's our sprite, and we can move him around. And here's our backdrop. If we want to get something more interesting, we're actually going to go to the end of the backdrops, and we're going to get the XY grid. And that brings up this nice XY grid so that we can see what's going on. Now we go back to our scripts, but in order for our scripts to run, we want to run it on the cat. And what we're going to do is we're going to just draw a nice square with the cat. And if you remember what a square is, basically you move some distance and you turn 90 degrees, right? So you move, and if we turn on numlock, we get 90. And then we duplicate that, right? We do it actually we should make that a little bit longer. But we can't see what's going on with the cat, so we actually need to add our pen. So we're going to add our pen down, and we'll add a color. So now if we do that, well, we can barely see what happened, right? It was a very, very small line right here. And so what we're going to do is actually add that to make that 200. And we're going to add a clear function. So we can erase that line. And then we're going to put our cat right back to the beginning. So he's going to go to 100 and y equals 0. How about that? So there's our cat. He's upside down. But that's okay. So now if we start running our code, and we click on our clear so we get rid of that green line, we set our pen color, and there goes our cat. He moved 200 steps, and he turned. And now if we duplicate that, and duplicate that, and duplicate that, what we have is a move, a turn, a move, a turn, a move, a turn, a move, a turn. That should be a square. What do you think? So we click on that, and there he goes. Did he move? Can't see. There he is. So there's our green line. He went up and around. He happened so fast we never really saw what happened. So let's clear that line, and let's add a little bit of a delay in between each one so we can see what's going on. So we're going to clear it. We're going to set our cat back to the same spot, and now we'll go. So there he goes, there he goes, there he goes, there he goes. So he drew a square. We could make that that's the easiest way to draw a square. Now you can see that this code is fairly redundant, right? Meaning that we're moving, we're turning, and we're waiting. We're moving, we're turning, and we're waiting. So what we can do is we see right here is we have this repeat code that looks just like that. And so we can replace that by a repeat. And of course it's a square, so it's 4 sides. We'll clear our screen, and we'll add a little bit more contrast to our color. So let's use the orange. And now we're clear. We set him to our beginning spot. We have him upright. And I'm going to make this a little bit different, 100 steps, so we can see it a little bit better. So here we go. Draws a line up, draws a line down. So there is our square. He went around and drew a nice square. Hope you enjoyed that. Take care. Bye.